Hey Pumas, I'm Matthew Hune.
And I'm Raymond Moy Baxel, and we are here at the blood drive.
Let's go find out what's going on.
Okay, so you're here at the blood drive, and I see you're one of the helpers, right?
Yes.
So what role did you play in the entire blood drive? Tell me everything.
Well, I can't say everything, but I'm pretty much the one that put it together. So we got all the applications. ASB has their committee that, has all the applications, advertising, and we just encourage people to come and save a life.
So what's the purpose of all this food?
The purpose of all the food is after the patients give blood, we like to refill their systems with all the food and sugar.
I'm also here with
Alex.
Alex what?
Castillo.
Castillo. Okay, so Alex, looks like you haven't donated blood just yet. Looks like you're just beginning, correct?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Yeah, I'm assuming you've done this before then.
I've done it a couple times, yes.
How many times? How many is a couple?
2?
Oh, of course, a couple.
Is this your first time giving blood?
It is.
And how was it?
It was good. The medics here are really, really great.
Do you know your blood type?
No, I don't. But you should, apparently you hear back in 2 to 3 weeks, which is good.
I'm with
Bianca Negretti.
And Bianca, how does it feel donating blood?
It feels wonderful knowing I just saved a life.
Oh, you did. You saved 3 lives.
I saved 3 lives.
3 lives just by donating here at a gym.
I'm here with Mr. Ford. Mr. Ford, why did you decide to give blood today?
Well, it's I got O positive, and they're always bothering me for it because it's kind of the universal blood. Plus, I wanted to prove to everybody that I do have a heart. That pumps blood, not just a bunch of wires,
Signing off for the Puma News Network, I'm Raymond Moy Baxel.
I'm Matthew Hune.
And I'm April Mao.
Stay tuned for next time.